Hello everyone, it is officially 2020 and everyone's trying to get fit and toned. I know I am. So grab your water bottle and some weights if you wish. I have me some 8-pound weights right there, dumbbells, and let's get into the workout. Okay, so I'm going to be using my timer to time the workouts. I'm going to do 25 seconds and then 15 seconds rest. Okay, first we're going to start off with some good old-fashioned jumping jacks. So let me set my timer, begin. Okay. Fifteen seconds, jog in place. Keep doing that. Okay. Now we're going to jump, go to the side, jump again, back to the other side. 25 seconds, begin. "15 seconds left. I have a lamp over my head and I'm trying not to hit it because I hit it before. Okay, 15 seconds, jog in place. Whew. Pants are falling down. Okay, let's do a good old-fashioned burpee. 25 seconds, let's go. Come on, you can do this. Make sure you're breathing deeply in and out. Okay, 15 seconds, jog in place. Okay, next we're going to touch our toes. Next, gently bring your leg up. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay, because I can't reach my toes either. And take your time. Okay, 15 seconds, jog in place. Next, we're going to use our arms a little bit. If you have light dumbbells, you can do that. I'm not going to use my heavy dumbbells because you can injure yourself. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to do right hook, and then we're going to do upwards. So, horizontally, vertical. Okay, let's go. And take your time with this one too. Imagine an imaginary opponent right in front of you. Okay, 15 seconds. Jog in place. Now we're going to do butt kickers. Let's go. You got this. Okay. Now, if you must, if you need to, take a sip of water. And we're going to be back with our dumbbells. 1 minute break. Try not to drink too much water, otherwise you're going to feel it in your stomach when you're exercising. Not a good feeling. Okay, so I have 8-pound dumbbells. You can use whatever size is comfortable for you, 5, maybe even a 2. But now we're going to do some dumbbell squats, and you don't need dumbbells for this. You can do squats without it. Okay, so first we're going to hold the dumbbells in our hand. Make sure your feet are like not too apart, but close enough like this. We're going to raise the dumbbells onto our shoulders as we squat down. Make sure you poke your booty out. Okay, 25 seconds. Let's go. Squat down as low as you can go. It's good to do, strength training and squats, weights, stuff like that when you're working out, because it helps you to keep that toned figure so you don't just lose everything when you're burning fat. Okay, 15 seconds rest. Next, we're going to, I need to come up with names for these exercises, but we're going to hold our dumbbells at our shoulders and then gently bend to the side. We're going to bend to the other side. Okay, 25 seconds, let's go. And don't rush this, especially when you have dumbbells, because you can injure yourself. So, take your time. Make sure you feel that burn. Slowly go down. Slowly come up. Almost done. Whew, okay. I don't know about you, but I'm sweating, and that is a good thing. Means we're doing something right. Next, we only need one dumbbell for this. We're going to slowly bring our dumbbell up, like this. Or we're going to squat while we do it. Okay, let's go. 25 seconds on. I feel the burn already. Whew. 4 seconds. Whew. 15 seconds rest. Okay, now we're going to get down on our mat or carpet, and we're going to do some exercises on the floor. Okay, we're going to do some toe crunches. So we're going to extend our body back, and then crunch our toes. Let's go. 25 seconds on. You can even do it like this, which is harder, but you feel more of the burn. Definitely make sure you're breathing while doing these. Now we're going to do bicycle crunches. Begin. Ten seconds left. If you need some water after that, make sure to get some. Whew. Next, we're going to do Spider-Man crunches. You're going to get on all fours like this. And then you're going to take one leg, go like that. Bring it to your side and extend your body inward. Okay, guys, ready? Let's begin. 25 seconds. Other side. Make sure you're breathing. Not keep saying that, but it's important. Especially when you're working those abs. It's easy for you to stop breathing. Hold your breath, but it's not good. 15 seconds. Next up are these, I think they're called mountain climbers. Okay, let's go. 25 seconds on. Make sure you bring it up all the way to your chest so you can feel that burn. You're going to feel it in your arms too. 15 seconds. Oh, 2020 is going to be a great year. Okay, how about we wrap this up? Let's get the stretching. Good job, guys. Let's just breathe deeply in and out. Breathe in. Hold it for a few seconds. Breathe out. Bring your arms up. Back to the middle. Side. Feel that stretch in your back. Into the middle. I like to put my arms behind me. You can really feel that stretch in your back. It's important to stretch because it reduces soreness in the morning. And prevents injury. So I'm stretching the thigh. So I'm bringing this leg in and taking the other leg, extending it outward. So you're going to feel it all in here. Fill it in the back. These hamstrings. Ooh. As you can see, my balance is not perfected. It's okay. Extend backwards, down to your toes. Okay, make sure you hydrate. Take a nice ice cold shower. I know I'm about to have a delicious green smoothie, and we are done for now. Bye. This is kale, pineapple, mango, peaches, a little bit of raspberry, some green powder, super green powder, a teaspoon of that. Sprinkled in some chia seeds, some flaxseed, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. And I use a raw organic protein powder. I'll put some, for the liquid, I put some unsweetened almond milk, some cold pressed orange juice, so it's no sugar added, and water, mainly water.